So a lot of achievements has been done on this side now. As we said in the previous video that we've done a few things that's been integrated with Odoo backend using Flutter. Now, having said that, I've explained before about this thing, so I believe that we have another day to finalize the project. So it took us about 4 days to build a mobile app that is functional on iOS and Android using Flutter, with the backend is Odoo using the standard features except few additions. Now, just to get a glimpse of what has been done, if I go to view products, now a few things has been changed. On the last day that I'm going to work on the loading speed for the high density images. We've added the top categories that been added from Odoo itself. That's public products categories under the eCommerce app, and down below listed the products that we have. We've added the functionality to add those videos. You may add title as well. I've added no title on the back end. And down below we have the top categories, we have the products, we have this animated style here, and now we have a functional cart finally. Now, to see the functionality, each product that we access, it grabs all the information like the category and the details, and we've added the cart on the top. So let's say, for example, I've added 5, and this took a lot of time actually to be achieved because there is no a functional predefined cart system over Flutter. None of them actually work. I've done my research and I've tried multiple, and I had to do one logic from scratch. That's why I tended to create a cart service here and move everything from one page to another. So add 5 to cart. Once you click on that, it will add the 5 here and you'll be able to see it. And believe it or not, it took me a lot of time to achieve this as well. Once you delete a product, it actually removes it. So if I go back to shop now, it should take me back to the product screen. I can add more and get back here and can go there as well and add another product, and I can add as well 5, and this is 13 products that we have here. So this is our total, and then we have the checkout button. This took a lot of time actually to be implemented and to be done, and a lot of things have been done in terms of fixing some of the layouts and the structures. I've added a beautiful dependency actually. It's called it's this thing. It's an animated I'm not sure what is it called. Yeah, it's this. It's the animated notch bottom bar, and I had to use the latest version actually, and it does pretty good thing. Now I have all those pages ready, but I'm gonna connect them at my convenience. But what's remaining with the project is linking the articles page, which is going to contain recipes and so on, and from Odoo itself. And then the profile, once you're logged in, you'll be able to, that's it, log in. So everything is done over the app itself, which is nothing is, when you add the cart, etc., nothing is being synchronized to Odoo. What I have done is actually I've synchronized whatever you have here on the cart if you are logged in. So remaining is connecting the profile, adding the reading material, and then constructing the checkout process. And I'm going to try to do something that is really different at this stage, which is making the checkout process from Odoo itself. And that would allow people to easily work on the process of what do you call it, making the integration less hassle than what it is. And that's it for this day, I guess. I believe a lot of things been changed, and I believe that hopefully we will achieve a fully functional one. That's it. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Take care.